Hello YouTube, my name is Brett from agentsdiscovery.com. I've been creating voice agents for about 2 months now, and today I'm going to show how the update to my website I made, I think it was yesterday or the day before, a couple of days ago as of recording this, March 29th, 2025. I made an update, I simplified the website quite a bit. It occurred to me that if I'm focusing on voice agents and phone calls, then my website should really reflect that. So what I have here going on my screen, going from right to left, the far right window, this is the actual website, agentsdiscovery.com. Go check it out. Schedule some time. The center here, this is a spreadsheet and a Google Drive. Pay attention to the row, we're on row 16. And on the left, we have a cal.com booking event. Now, this booking event is assigned specifically for the primary voice agent of Agents Discovery, and her name is Jessica. That's what I call it. She has her own email, she has her own calendar, and she has her own cal.com booking. Now, why do we have that up on here, and why does she have that? It's for callbacks. The way I handle callbacks is Jessica basically calls, creates her own booking, and then when that meeting starts, a webhook captures the meeting started event, and then once the meeting event, started event occurs, she calls back a phone number, and that phone number being the actual location in the booking event for her own calendar and events in cal.com. So that's all the pieces. That's what you're being shown here on screen. I'm going to refresh agentsdiscovery.com. This is what the page will look like when you land on it. So, we're on the right here, agentsdiscovery.com. And it's very simple. This is it. This is the entire website. I may add more stuff to it. I don't know. So I'm going to enter my phone number. That's the only kind of thing you can interact with the phone number on. I'm not checking for special characters or anything. It should work most of the time. If somebody really wants to talk to me, they're going to enter a phone number and it should work. I've tried it with dashes and just numbers. Dashes and numbers seem to work fine. This can only accommodate for local phone numbers. So local, well, not local, United States, US phone numbers, the +1 country code. I don't think I'm going to solve for international calls yet. I'm not trying to target businesses outside of the US. But if there's interest in that, put a comment below, and then I'll show you how to accommodate for that in this design. It's really simple. All right, so I've added my phone number. I hit the button, let's talk. Got my cell phone in my hand. I'm going to wait. If you look in the spreadsheet there to the middle, you see I added a row. Now we're waiting for phone call, phone ring. I'm just going to hold it up here and look special, holding my phone. It usually takes right at a minute. So it's 12:40 now. Row is updated 12:40 in 26 seconds. That's pretty fast. That's good. So, hello, hello.
Hello, is now a good time to talk?
Actually, can you call me back and say an hour?
Hey there. Not much. Just here. Sure thing. Can I get your phone number to call you back?
470-286-6127.
Got it. I'll call you back at 470-286-6127 in about an hour. Can I get your name for the callback?
Sure, my name is Brett.
Okay. All right, Brett. I've scheduled a callback for you in about an hour. Talk to you then.
All
All
right,
right, Brett.
bye.
I've got you.
Okay, that's an unlikely scenario to happen, but I'm just trying to show all these features all in one kind of go. Let's see if the booking was created. I got to refresh this page, I think. Yep, there it is. So I did a refresh. Time on my clock right now is 12:40 p.m. Eastern time. I'm in Eastern time, 12:40, and then the booking right here, this booking over here, scheduled at 1:40 Eastern time. So you click on the booking. She's got the phone number. And so that's it. So once this meeting starts in an hour, it'll create it'll broadcast out to the webhook that the meeting has started, and that Jessica will then call that location. So that's the whole demo. Again, website, spreadsheet, cal.com, call to me, and then a call back in an hour. So that's how all that work, all those pieces work and come together. If there's any interest in the actual back end setup, I can probably do a video of that in about under 5 minutes. Put it in the comments below. Let me know. And yeah, thanks for watching.